If the future were foreseeable, manufacturing would be simple. If experiences were shared, manufacturing would be wise. If thinking was united, manufacturing would be tough. By adding simulation, manufacturing will be smarter. The key to all of this is the virtual. Sharing wisdom and power to innovate manufacturing. Virtual, powering everything. Hello, this is Lexar Manufacturing Global Headquarters. What? I see. There's a problem in the Brazil factory's G3 line expansion plan. You're saying emergency production isn't possible because the diversified manufacturing processes assembly robots aren't portable enough. And on top of that, no one established routes for the automated transport in the picking area. And the A1 line's transfer is malfunctioning and won't be able to operate for several days. That's quite a loss. Yes, we'll review our options and get back to you. Right. That was a factory overseas reporting problems. Naturally, they only call us when there's already a problem. Until we come up with and implement a solution, the factory sits there losing money like a leaking faucet. But what if we could anticipate the problem beforehand? What if we could prepare for the future? In other words, we can predict the future and take precautions. In manufacturing, we can predict the future through simulations to find the most efficient overall production methods. We call this concept SIM, Simulation Integrated Manufacturing. SIM doesn't stop with optimization, but comprehensively searches for hidden possibilities within the process in order to increase manufacturing value. At the heart of SIM is the production model, with every element and situation of a factory programmed into it. Linking or combining projects that were being run separately all the way to the mass production process consolidates the power of your manufacturing system. In tomorrow's world, improvements in productivity, quality, and delivery will continue, but creating new market value by comprehensively pursuing the strengths of manufacturing is the most important point. Furthermore, the powerful, massive, and interactive simulations made by SIM in virtual space will lead to innovation in manufacturing. What innovation in manufacturing through simulations means is that data from product or assembly line designs, transportation and manufacturing plans, and even information on factories collected by sensors are used to create your manufacturing facility in virtual space. Unforeseen problems involving designs for products, plans for new factories, changes to or expansion of assembly lines, transportation plans, and production schedules can be solved and optimized at the planning stage through simulations. Even if a problem occurs at a facility during mass production, work plans and product flow can continually be simulated and streamlined. And this is where experience in manufacturing and expertise in analysis and problem-solving methods can be integrated. By introducing this system, you can not only give new power to your manufacturing, but make it smarter as well. Through testing in virtual space and discovering the unrealized potential in your manufacturing system, new possibilities emerge. Creating new industry value, starting with manufacturing, is the goal of SIM. Now, in order to achieve SIM, we use the cloud manufacturing simulation system called GD Findi. So, imagine that your factory has been copied into this virtual space and that production has begun on a project that's assembly line hasn't been built yet. In other words, something like this. Now, if we switch this and this, what do you think? There's less distance to cover, reducing work time. Or, what if we move that processor and equipment storage over here, achieving pull production? The work in progress is reduced by this much. Oh, how about moving this entire production block over there? This is what's possible. Make your plans in the virtual factory instead of a physical one, and streamline and improve. That's GD Findi, the manufacturing simulator that gives power to your production.
Welcome to DHA Sarmala Limited. We are a 108 years old company, and now I am the fourth generation of the owner. And right now, we concentrate into stationery industry. We are producing in the range of 5,000 SKUs. So there are many different types of products that we produce in our factory. We are also facing challenges in the free trade agreement zone that is now cropping up. And at the same time, we are also looking into the opportunities to grow in the area of geographical area as well. We have to depend on a complex model that we have to build. And that requires a skill, not just only is the skill, but also tools. And I have gone through many different applications in simulation. And we have not come to a conclusion or come to terms as to how best we can approach this simulation issue. Then one day he came to me and he said he may have found me an answer to the question that has been raised and kept in my mind for so many years. Is GD Findi. I have enjoyed the kind of relationship and cooperation between GD Findi and Lexer.
Hello, this is Lexer Manufacturing Global Headquarters. Yes, it's been a while. How's the factory in Brazil? Next season, we'll be expanding India's production lines to keep up with the growing market in Africa. According to our GD Findi simulation, we can keep increasing production in Brazil's factories. We'll have to keep an eye on the stock markets, but the North American market looks particularly stable. So, please keep increasing your production capability. Yes, thank you. One more thing. Regarding the global strategy product announced at the press conference the other day, it's becoming a very attractive product thanks to Brazil's factory's hybrid processing lines. Right now, our expert team is making further improvements to our simulation module for new production lines, using the Lexer Group's experience to modulate for high productivity and quality. You'll be able to use it as well, of course. Yes, rest assured, the quality has been verified. Absolutely. Yes, of course. Yes, thank you. You can change your future through production simulation and by implementing the SIM method, the very concept of manufacturing as well. Can you imagine what the future of manufacturing holds in store? This future is not so distant. Virtual, powering everything.